Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, March 1st, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, February ended with a wild trading day, but hey, at least it closed on a high note. After a rough few weeks, the markets bounced back on Friday, with all major indexes in the green. The Standard & Poor's 500 jumped 1.6%, while the Nasdaq climbed about 1.5%, recovering from Thursday's big tech sell-off. The Dow Jones also made a solid move, gaining 1.3%. But don't let the one-day rally fool you. February was rough. The Nasdaq dropped nearly 5% for the month, while the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Dow lost around 2%. So what helped drive Friday's turnaround? A key inflation report, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE, showed that core inflation, which excludes food and energy, cooled to 2.6%. That was in line with expectations, easing some fears that inflation was heating back up. But there was a catch. Consumer spending actually fell 0.2% last month. That's below forecasts and a sharp drop from December's strong numbers. Meanwhile, drama unfolded at the White House. President Trump and Vice President Vance had a heated exchange with Ukraine's President Zelensky, calling him disrespectful and criticizing his response to U.S. support in the war with Russia. All of this played out in front of the cameras, adding to geopolitical tensions. And if that wasn't enough for investors to process, Trump's trade policies are keeping everyone on edge. China has vowed to respond with all necessary measures, after Trump confirmed that a new 10% tariff on Chinese imports will take effect Tuesday. He's also pushing forward with tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and the European Union. One last thing, Bitcoin continues to slide, falling 7% on Friday, marking its lowest level since November. The crypto space has taken a hit, with Bitcoin now down 25% from its all-time high. So, what's next? Will March bring more volatility, or will the markets finally find some stability? Stay tuned. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.